Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anuradha Chatterjee. I'm Professor and Dean at the School of Design and Innovation, RB University. Welcome. I'm incredibly happy to be part of a school that is not providing a cookie-cutter education. Our degree programs are incredibly nuanced. They are internationally benchmarked, and they have a contemporary feel to it. They're incredibly modernized. Our curriculum has technology integrated in all aspects of it. We want to create programs that have a global recognizability and presence. And our students who graduate are not just employees, but they're in fact tomorrow's thought leaders. We want to really have students who when they graduate, they're able to operate across different transnational and global contexts. So I want to talk to you a little bit about what we teach and how we teach it. In School of Design and Innovation, we're very much focused on the intersection of technology, design and society. We have 5 verticals: transdisciplinary contexts, communications, spatial, product and user experience. In each of these verticals we have programs. So in transdisciplinary design we've got BDES, transdisciplinary context, as well as Masters in Design Research in Design Futures. In communication vertical we've got communication and new media, and we also have a postgraduate diploma in design journalism. In the spatial vertical, we have interior environments, Bachelors of Design. In user experience design, we've got Bachelors of Design in user experience, as well as Masters of Design in user experience. And each of these, and in Bachelors of Design in user experience, we've got 2 tracks. One is digital interactive systems and extended reality. Then in the 5th vertical, which is a product design, we've also split that into 3 tracks. We have the track of lifestyle accessories, digital products, as well as industrial products. So the way our students learn is through a combination of experiences across the classroom, the Mac lab, the field, and the workshop. So it's quite an integrated experience in which they are kind of working across different learning contexts. Interdisciplinarity is something that is threaded into the curriculum at RB University because our students, in addition to taking majors, will also be taking up minors from other schools or from within the school itself. So that's part of that USP that our design students have. The other things that we offer to the students is also international collaboration. So we've got a collaboration with IED in Italy and Teesside University in the UK. And the kind of experiences that we offer students is international mobility at the semester level, as well as summer schools. We've also got institutional memberships with World Design Organization, Association of Designers India, and CII. All of these memberships mean that our students have access to industry and academic networks, which they can leverage when they graduate. And finally, let's talk about who are our students. Our students are those who really enjoy experiential hands-on learning from real-time projects like live projects and real-world experiences. The kind of education that we offer is not about providing the right answer. So students who are comfortable with not always having the right answer would find a perfect fit in our school here. We are also really invested in providing a student-centered form of learning. So the student is the core of whatever we do in our school. We're also a school that is very much invested in providing inclusive approaches to education. We are also looking at approaches of how to deliver the best design education to neurodivergent learners, as well as our education practice is very much focused on promoting student health, student mental health, and student physical health. And if you're looking for a creative career and you're one of those people who love taking risks and love experimenting and exploring, come and join us at School of Design and Innovation at RB University. You'll have a great time.